In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send an email using Gmail. If you're new to Gmail or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident and capable when dealing with your email correspondences. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to navigate to Gmail's website. Open your preferred web browser and enter gmail.com into the address bar. This will take you to the Gmail homepage where you can either log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Simply enter your email address and password to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your inbox. All your received emails will be displayed here, so it's a good starting point for sending a new message. Now, to create a new email, look for the Compose button. You'll find it on the left-hand side, typically indicated by a colorful button with a plus sign or a pen icon. Click on it to start a new email. A window will pop up, allowing you to enter all the details you need for your message. The first field you'll see is labeled To. Here you'll input the email address of the person or people you want to send the email to. Make sure you enter the correct address to ensure your email reaches the intended recipient. Next, you'll see a space marked Subject. This is where you provide a brief summary of what your email is about. Make it concise but informative, giving the recipient a clear idea of the email's content or purpose. A good subject line can greatly enhance your recipient's understanding and engagement with your message. Below the subject line, there will be a larger text area where you can type your message. This is where you can communicate in detail what you need to say. Be sure to keep your message clear, polite, and to the point. If you need to attach a file, such as a document or an image, simply click on the paperclip icon usually found at the bottom of this section. Once you've composed your email and are satisfied with the content, double-check everything. It's always a good idea to review the recipient's address, your subject line, and the message body itself for any errors or omissions. Finally, when you're ready to send your email, look for the Send button. It's often found toward the bottom of the Compose window. Click it, and your email will be sent off into the digital realm, heading towards its intended destination. And there you have it, you've successfully sent an email using Gmail. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to ensure accuracy can save you from potential miscommunications. I hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to handle your email tasks